Welcome to Mindful Mentors12. In today's episode, we're exploring how you can leverage zero-cost AI tools to enhance your learning and thrive as a student in 2025. Education doesn't have to be expensive. Let's discover how you can access powerful resources for free. With advancements in AI technology, a wealth of learning opportunities is available at your fingertips, all without breaking the bank. Let's dive into the top zero-cost AI tools you can utilize to supercharge your educational journey. Khan Academy. Khan Academy offers free, world-class education for anyone, anywhere. Its AI-driven platform provides personalized learning experiences, covering a wide range of subjects from math to arts. Google Scholar and Google AI. Utilize these free tools for scholarly research and AI-powered educational resources, enabling access to a vast array of academic papers and learning materials. Grammarly free version. Enhance your writing skills with Grammarly's free tool. It uses AI to provide grammar and style suggestions, perfect for honing essays and assignments. Duolingo. Learn new languages for free with Duolingo's gamified platform that uses AI to adapt to your language skills and progress. TED. Explore thought-provoking educational videos and lessons for free, utilizing AI-curated content to expand your knowledge on a variety of topics. Unlock the full potential of these free AI tools by integrating them into your daily study routine. Consistency is key. Make a habit of using these tools regularly to improve skills consistently and gain a competitive edge. Collaborate with peers and join online communities to share insights, explore new ideas, and learn collectively. By harnessing the power of these zero-cost AI tools, you're setting the stage for success in 2025 and beyond. Dive into the world of zero-cost learning. Subscribe to Mindful Mentors 12 for more educational insights and tips on maximizing free resources for your academic advantage.